Very good morning to you all, ma. Please make your videos visible, ma. Students, can you all hear me? Am I audible, ma? Rohan. Yes, Rohan, Aditi. No one's returning there. Good, Arnav. Very nice. Yashasri, very good people. Anybody, am I audible? You guys can speak up. CR, am I audible?
यस मैडम, एकदम डायन की तरह सुनाई दे रही है।
Hey, who is that fellow?
Arnav.
Hey, early morning. What is this? What is hello?
Roll number 2005, ma'am. Roll number 2500.
No, it's 2559.
Hey, stop! I said stop. So stop. This is the way you behave, ma. Did your parents not teach you to talk or what? Huh? I won't tolerate this. Everyone mute your mics now. Don't want any disturbance aside. Okay, only doubts and answers. Everyone creating a ruckus.
Okay, darling.
Who is this darling, huh? Johnny Sins. Is that how you talk to your teacher, Johnny Sins? I will not put attendance for you. Your name is going to the dean, ma. Your name is going to the dean.
Go, ma'am. Give to Prime Minister, ma'am. Everyone give, ma'am. Ain't right.
You think this is a joke, ma? Mute yourself and change your name format. I will remove you, bloody idiot. What? Why people are laughing? You guys don't have shame or what? Huh?
Joke,
Joke, ma? You think this is joke, ma? Bloody joke, bug. Ma, okay, wait a minute. Let me screen share. Wait a minute.
आता तो कुछ नहीं है, ढंग से स्क्रीन शेयर भी नहीं कर पा रही, और ये हमें कंप्यूटर सिखाएगी।
Oh no!
Oh, wait, who is this? Excuse me, who is this? Who is this talking?
मैं था, बोल क्या कर लेगी चुड़ैल?
What are you speaking, ma? Excuse me, who is this? Maya Kajanu. Who is this Maya Kajanu, ma? Please change your vulgar names, ma.
तू मेरा जानू, मैं तेरा घर आलू।
What vulgar language? What are you speaking, ma? What? I don't understand, ma. What is this? Wait, I'll remove you in a minute. Wait.
रहने दे, तुझे क्या समझ आएगा?
I'm asking again, who is this? Who is Maya Kajanu, ma? Who is this Johnny Janu? Ma, please change your name format, ma. All of this is being recorded. I'm telling you, ma. Then don't come complaining with your ma'am, I didn't get attendance, ma'am. Okay? Who is this?
अबे तू जा रे इधर से, तू जा।
Ma, wait, ma. What is this terrible? You don't understand this nonsense you talk. Going to remove you. You wait. Wait, I'm going to remove you, ma.
I'm waiting.
Who is this other person also talking? Stupid fellow.
I'm waiting.
Ma, show your face, stupid fellow.
I'm waiting.
Wait, I'm gonna remove both of you. You wait. Python operators, ma. One of them is arithmetic. Then there is relational, ma. Then we have logical.
Disable chats, ma'am.
What, ma?
Ma'am, chats, ma'am. Disable chats. Bad things are happening, ma'am.
You got doubt, ma.
Chat, ma'am, chat.
Chats.
Charge? What charge, ma? What do I charge?
Chat, ma'am, chat.
Chats, ma'am.
Chat box,
People
ma'am,
are writing
chat
bad
box.
things.
Oh, chats. People are not audible, ma, or what? I can't hear you, ma. What is this? You're saying charge or chats? I don't understand, ma. What's happening, ma?
Ma'am, these are not people from our class, ma'am. Ma'am, remove them. Ma'am, they are not from our class.
You wait, ma.
They are not
Wait
from
just
our
a
class.
second. Wait. I'll mute them. Mute it, ma. Mute it, man. Mute it. The next topic we are having is keyword argument. Now, what is keyword arguments, you may ask? Now, keyword arguments is basically passing parameters from one function to the other in any manner you want. Okay, like A, B, C is there. Now, who is this? Now, where are these people coming from? Huh? Where are they entering? I've asked you people 10 times to not behave like this. Hey, what is this nonsense, ma? This is class, ma. This is class.
निर्बंध कौन सुनेगा?
Excuse me? What is this vulgar? This is class.
नहीं, we thought it's a bar. तभी गाना चले रहे हैं ना?
You think it's a bar? Ah? What are you talking about? You think it's a bar? Huh? This is a class, ma. What, ma? Yeah, ma, please, ma. What are you guys doing, ma? Ma, what is this, ma? Ma, please, ma.
Ma'am, Shruti, ma'am, Shruti.
Who's Shruti? Who is playing these songs, Mama? Please stop.
24 roll number, ma'am, 24.
Ma, stop it, Mama. Stop it. Please, ma.
चल नाचो भाई नाचो.
Stop it, ma. Stop it. What is, where is this baby?
Ma'am, Vikas. DJ got to
please
DJ.
stop it, ma. Ma, stop it, ma. Ma, stop it. What is this going on, ma? Ma, stop it.
मेरा छोटा
Ma,
बच्चा
stop
भी
it.
तेरा नहीं सुन रहा.
Ma, stop it, ma. Please. Ma, stop it. Stop it. What is this behavior, ma? Guys, what is this behavior, ma? Don't you people have an atom of shame in you? You guys are studying engineering. You still act like kids from second class. You guys act worse than that. I don't understand why you guys love bullying us, ma. When we really just want to help you. Imagine someone calling your parents filthy names and disrespecting them. And they're getting insulted right in front of you, ma. Right in front of you. How would you feel? Huh? How would you feel when you can't do anything to do it? We feel tired, ma. We feel insecure, ma. We also don't know a lot of stuff. Ma, tell me one thing. Tell me something, When a student get doubts and are slow at learning, are we impatient or what? We're not impatient, na? Huh? Are we rude? Do we cut you off? Do we not wait for you? Why can't you do the same, ma? Why can't you do the same? Ma, I am not angry. I'm disappointed. You can take your sorry, but I'm not angry, ma. I'm disappointed. I'm disappointed.
I'm very sorry.
That my very own students, you guys won't even listen to me properly. Like my very own students, who I would love to see grow higher in life, go to America, go Australia. I just can't believe you guys are doing this to me, ma. I can't carry on like this. Can't do it. I'm ending this meeting, ma. I'm ending this meeting.
Ma'am,
we will not do this again.
No, ma.
we will not repeat again.
No, ma.
I'm feeling
I'm
sorry.
very sorry. Truly sorry.
No, ma.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Deva Maheshwara. Guru Sakshat Parabrahma has mixed with Veda. It was a time where teachers are equated as gods. Now it seems like this loka is losing its existence by time. But watching all these online compilation videos make us laugh and feel like doing all this stuff is cool and fun. Spoiler alert, it's not. We are really hurting the people who really wants the best from us. And for this Teachers' Day, let's thank all the teachers who made us realize what our true potentials are. And thanks for shaping us little monsters into the people who leads to the future tomorrow. Thank you everyone.